Howdy everyone, Josh here. Today I'm coming to you from downtown Bryan, Texas. A rare sight, or sound I should say, just came through. There was a southbound Union Pacific. Pretty good train. Check out the video. However, what I'm here today to tell you about are these lovely or unfortunate medians that have just been installed on all the crossings here in Bryan, Texas. So what these medians are going to allow is what is going to become a rare sound here: the old railroad sign. And here's the new one with a covered up placard underneath of it. Now, if you haven't figured it out yet, unfortunately that placard underneath is going to say no train horn. Now, these have been installed at every crossing down here in Bryan, Texas. It looks like they've finished up all the installations along the tracks. I haven't verified every single location yet, but it's coming soon. At this point, they probably just have to wait for the full sign off from Union Pacific to verify that they are allowed to state that there is no more train horns. And from then on these tracks, it'll be nice, unfortunately, and quiet, which I suppose is great for the people that work and live here, but does mean that the sound of the train horn is just going to be a memory. So as I said, there was just a train that came through. They have not authorized that yet. Be sure to go ahead and check it out, because again, the next time I'm here, next time y'all are visiting, there will probably be no more train horns through Bryan, Texas. So one last sight, the old sign and the brand new one. And once again, this is Josh coming to you from Bryan, Texas. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.